Welcome, watch enthusiasts, to our esteemed YouTube channel. We are delighted to have you join us as we embark on an extraordinary exploration of the exquisite Breitling Superocean Automatic 36. Prepare to be captivated as we unveil this luxurious women's watch and delve into its remarkable features that showcase the perfect fusion of performance and style. As we gently open the box, the anticipation builds, revealing the awe-inspiring Superocean Automatic 36 in all its glory. The design of this timepiece pays homage to the iconic slow-motion model from the 1960s, which was specifically crafted for divers who understood the importance of timing during their underwater adventures. Breitling has meticulously refined this celebrated design, incorporating modern elements that elevate its allure to new heights. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. The Superocean Automatic 36 exudes a sense of confidence with its clean lines, chunky luminescent indexes, and squared-off hands, all meticulously designed to ensure maximum legibility even in the depths of the ocean. Its high-contrast dial ring further enhances visibility, making it a reliable companion for any water-based pursuit. Now, let's dive deeper into the specifications that make the Superocean Automatic 36 a true horological masterpiece. At the heart of this exceptional timepiece beats the esteemed Breitling 17 caliber, a self-winding mechanical movement that not only guarantees precise timekeeping but also imbues the watch with a touch of mechanical artistry. With an approximate power reserve of 38 hours, this watch will accompany you through your daily endeavors with unwavering reliability. Operating at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, the Superocean Automatic 36 exhibits exceptional accuracy, ensuring that every second is accounted for with utmost precision. With 26 jewels adorning its movement, the watch not only offers smooth and reliable performance but also highlights the commitment of Breitling to craftsmanship and attention to detail. Crafted from robust stainless steel, The case of the Superocean Automatic 36 exudes an understated elegance that withstands the test of time. Its screw-in caseback adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring the watch's impressive water resistance of up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet. Whether you are an avid diver or simply enjoy aquatic activities, this timepiece is engineered to withstand the rigors of any water-based adventure. The unidirectional, ratcheted bezel of the Superocean Automatic 36 is not only a striking design element but also a functional feature that enables divers to accurately measure their dive times. The screw-locked crown, accompanied by 2 gaskets, enhances the watch's water resistance and provides an added layer of security, assuring its unwavering performance even in the harshest conditions. Protecting the dial of the Superocean Automatic 36 is a cambered sapphire crystal, which is glare-proofed on both sides. This crystal not only ensures excellent legibility but also guards against unwanted reflections, allowing you to effortlessly read the time even in bright sunlight or underwater environments. The 36.0mm diameter and 12.2mm thickness strike the perfect balance between elegance and practicality, ensuring a comfortable and stylish fit on any wrist. Complementing the impeccable design of the watch is its stainless steel strap, presented in a sleek metal bracelet style. This strap exudes sophistication and versatility, making it suitable for any occasion or ensemble. With a lug width of 18/16mm, the Superocean Automatic 36 seamlessly combines form and function, offering a harmonious balance of comfort and style. In summary, the Breitling Superocean Automatic 36 represents the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship in the world of women's watches. Its dedication to precision, durability, and timeless design ensures that it stands out as a true masterpiece in horology. Whether you're exploring the depths of the ocean, indulging in water sports, or simply making a bold fashion statement, the Superocean Automatic 36 is your ultimate companion. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of the Breitling Superocean Automatic 36. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, where we continue to explore the finest timepieces and unravel the mysteries of horology. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video, and we look forward to welcoming you back for our next adventure. Until then, may your time be cherished and your horizons be limitless.